Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam hours played not updating using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken history logs on your current setup session so your real play milestones update safely on your personal profile page. Step 1. Open your personal profile privacy settings. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop screen and navigate straight into your personal profile visibility layout panel. Move your mouse pointer up to the top menu bar of your screen workspace, hover over your profile account name, click once on the row that says Profile, look at the right side of your page, and click the button labeled Edit Profile. Watch for a fresh settings menu to load, then look at the left side list and click on the category link that says Privacy Settings. Because your computer application has strict rules hidden inside its account setup to protect your private data, if your personal detail switches are set incorrectly, the main internet servers are completely forbidden from tracking or displaying your live play records. Opening this specific management room lets you alter those data rules so the system can count your hours again. Step 2. Change your game detail switch to public mode. Next, you need to flip the internal switches on your privacy dashboard to make sure the tracking system is allowed to see what you are playing. Move your cursor down the middle of your screen canvas rows, locate the line that says Game Details, click on the small choice box next to it, and select the option word that says Public from the drop-down list. Verify that the box updates and double-check that the little checkmark box under it labeled Always Keep My Total Playtime Private is completely unchecked. Because if your game details are hidden from the world, the master application engine stops sending your live time updates to your profile card. The system treats your gaming session like a secret and completely turns off the clock inside your computer memory card. Changing this choice to public opens up a clean, clear pathway for the time counter to update your profile page layout flat against your background view. Step 3. Close down frozen background game tasks. Now you need to check your computer's master activity list to see if an old invisible game session is stuck running in the background and choking your clock line. Press the Control, Shift, and Escape keys on your keyboard at the exact same time to open your computer's main task checker box. Scroll down the active list to find your game's name, right-click on it, and click End Task. Verify that your game name completely disappears from the active list, leaving your workspace canvas clean and clear. Because your game can occasionally hit a bug when you try to close it. The game screen vanishes from your monitor, but a broken piece of the file stays completely stuck inside your memory slot. When this happens, the time tracker gets confused because it thinks you are still running the old session, which freezes your clock. Killing that stuck task resets the tracking engine completely. And that's it. To fix Steam hours played not updating, you must first go to your profile page, click Edit Profile, and open your privacy settings on your screen canvas. Then you move your mouse to the Game Details row and change the option to Public on your screen canvas rows while unchecking the Private Playtime box. Next, you open your Computer Task Manager to find and end any frozen background game tasks to clear your clogged clock lines. I hope this helps you out, and I see you in the next one.